Welcome. In front of me is a Poco Pad, and today I'll quickly show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen, so just click on the arrow and then find your desired language, and then choose your region, which, as far as I can tell, has no impact on the device. Next, agree to the terms, user agreement, privacy policy, launcher user agreement, and some other crap. You can tap on each one of them to read what you are actually agreeing to. Next, you'll have the option to connect to your Wi-Fi network, but this is not a requirement, so I'll be skipping it. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn them off, but it's from Google, so I highly doubt it does anything apart from just looking like it's off. Like I said, it's Google, and there is a reason why they are in class action lawsuits left and right. So I doubt it's because these toggles work. Next, we have set screen lock. So here you can set it up. You can choose whatever you want. You do have a 5-second countdown because apparently you're supposed to know that you need to remember your password. Who would have thought? Now I'll be skipping this. Next, we have basic settings. One of those basic settings apparently is being intrusive as hell, which is this one, personalized ads. Turn that garbage off. And before I go any further, I am going to waste more time than it's worth it, but I just want to point that out. This is the only time when you try to turn this only trash where you get this pop-up, just to showcase this. No other option literally gets you this pop-up outside of this dog shit. And this dog shit tries to sell you that basically spyware is such a good effing thing. Wouldn't you like to have your conversations spied on, your search results spied on, so you can be shoved down your throat with ads based on what you were talking about or searching for? Sounds amazing, right? Well, you want to turn that off. Psych, another thing. It's a reverse psychology, so these buttons are now switched. So you want to select this one to turn this absolute dog water off. Now moving on, after you turn that off, you can choose your font. Completely optional, whichever one you prefer. And this basically finishes up the setup. So give it a moment and we will have, there we go, swipe up to enter the system. And that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.